Hello friends, I am Sonali. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I will explain Java program to join two lists. Now let's start the program. Now see here, first of all I will import package import java.util.array list. Here I will use this package because if you don't know how many items are going to be held in your array, you may be better off using something called an array list. An array list is a dynamic data structure, meaning items can be added and removed from the list. A normal array in Java is static data structure because you stuck with the initial size of your array. Then second package import java.util.list. Then I will declare public class join list. Then I will declare main method public static void main in bracket string args. In that create list, I will create list string list1 is equal to new array list string then here I will create list of type string, and list can be potentially typecast into any other type of list. Okay, then list dot add in bracket a, then semicolon. We use list add all method to join list 1 and list 2 to the join list. Okay, then second list I will create list string list 2 is equal to new array list string then semicolon, then list 2 dot add b, then semicolon, then third list I will create list string joined here. Third list I will create because join two list, new array list, then string then join add all in bracket list 1, then join dot add all. Here I will use add all method, list 2, then semicolon, then I will print message system dot out dot print ln in bracket print list 1 plus list 1, then second message I will print list 2 system dot out dot print ln in bracket list 2 plus list 2, then semicolon, and third message I will print join the system dot out dot print ln in bracket join plus join then semicolon. We will run this program and check output. Now see here, list 1 is A and list 2 is B, and join the two list A comma B. So this is about program. Thank you very much.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.